Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI. I was looking for a way to boost my gut health and I came across a product called Colostrum. This is by a company called BodyBoost. There are 240 capsules in this. I actually like that it doesn't come in a container. I like that it just comes in a sealed bag. Makes it much easier for storage. Many people have found colostrum to be effective for boosting their immunity, helping their gut, and also aiding in muscle recovery. Notice that the capsules are just a regular size. They're super easy to take, just like any other capsule. And when taking these, I didn't find that it gave me an upset stomach or any side effects at all. So colostrum is contained in the first milk of the cow. So there's so many packed ingredients in that. And that's why people find this to be beneficial for many different reasons. So I'll take a few capsules a day and I'll do that on an empty stomach. I found that this product does help to improve my gut health. This is a product that I really like. I think it's super. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.